What are we doing?
Well, today we're fishing on Norris Lake. We're gonna go throw a big jig, probably spinnerbait, big crankbait, 6XD, not too big, but we're gonna go try to catch some brown girls. They're biting pretty good. Caught 8 last weekend. Probably had, I'd say 15 pounds, my best 5. So hopefully we can upgrade on that today.
Why are we at Norris?
We got the FLW. They're coming out. We're gonna watch them a little bit, try to catch some fish, and hopefully make TV magic. I don't know.
He forgot to mention that I'm gonna be throwing top water. They are hitting top water pretty good, but we're gonna go catch them and see you guys on the water. Good one? Net?
Yep.
He ain't coming up.
Whatever it is, good. That's a booty tail.
Oh,
good largemouth.
Good largemouth, yeah. Shoot ya, that's almost 3. Okay. You want to throw in the box? That 3/4 ounce jig.
Yep.
Yep. Got off. Little guy. We weren't kidding when we were going to throw 6XDs. Got him?
Yep.
Good. Oh. I'm probably gonna have to start throwing a jig now. Oh. Smallmouth. I don't know if he'd keep. It's still a good one though. About what, 15, 16 inches? Yeah, it's about a 7-pounder.
Come on, man. Largemouth.
Yeah, another keeper largemouth. I think he'd keep measure them. You can throw in the box you want. If you get another one on that thing right there, I'm throwing my A-rig. You see that?
Huh? Got him? Good?
Yeah, it's a big one. Whatever it is. Oh my God.
Well, that's a good one, son.
Oh look, there's 2 of them. 2 of them with them. 2 of them with them. Oh my God. How do I have them? Oh God.
Oh, snake. That's a good one.
That's still a good one. There's 2 of them with them. That's another good one. Throw him in there.
I bet y'all.
Both of them were that size that were with them. Yeah. There were 2 of them with them. Here is your fish. They're both on the same side. close to 3 pounds. Pretty fat guys. Real healthy fish are dark and green. But, you know, caught them both on a jig. Pretty good day considering the weather conditions. But we're going to head to the FLW weigh-in, and I'll see you guys there.
Brother.
So we got, wait a minute, we got 3 brothers and a sister right now?
Yeah, they're all kin.
Okay.
Different daddies.
Different daddies. Do you have a limit of bass today, Wesley?
Yes, I do. And then, you know, I was really bummed out. And then all of a sudden, Melba showed up.
Hey-o! Head out there, Wesley. Now that's the right kind, man. I'm gonna say that's big bass for this tournament, man. Great job. 7.5 is what he's looking for. Trying to dethrone Michael Neal. Wesley's 5 bass limit today. Tournament leader, 11 pounds, 2 ounces.
Yeah, I mean, after yesterday, I thought I could catch 11, 12 pound today, which I didn't catch that today, but I'm tickled to death with what I had.
Bring them on, man. Let's load them in the bag and see what Derek can do. He's gonna need 12 pounds and 3 ounces today to take over that lead. He's starting it out with 1 in the bag, number 2 in the bag. He keeps reaching in there. Number 3. Now hold on now. Pretty good day. How many fish you catch today?
I probably caught 15 fish today. I got 5 of them.
Keep them coming then, man. Number 4. And tournament limit coming out of the bag right now. Fish number 5, man. Great job for you, Derek. Once again, consistency got you here to day 3. And you went and did it again. How many fish you weigh in yesterday?
Weighed in 5.
How many on day 1?
Weighed in 5.
There you go. He's got 15 fish out of a possible 15 fish. Good job, brother. 23 pounds, 8 ounces after 2 days. 5 bass limit today for Derek weighs 10 pounds and 6 ounces is what I got you at. There's number 4. It's an upgrade. And he's going after number 5. What do you think about that?
This is going to be really close. Here we go.
Bring it! There's a 5 bass limit. Here we go. This is the proof in the pudding. This is the crowning moment right here. One of these 2 guys is your winner. James, look at him. Look at him looking at this scale.
Oh, give me 10 pounds.
9 pounds. 9 ounces. 9.9 is what he's got to have.
9.8.
Lambert's going 9.8. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Huh? You sure? You sure? Ready? Here it goes. He's got 9 pounds, 12 ounces. James Watson, your champion. Go get him, Watson. Yeah, man. Oh, my goodness. We knew it was going to be ounces, man, and it was. Your champion. Hear it for him again. Lucky Strike Pro, James Watson.